Hi and welcome. Today we're making cauliflower Tunisian sauce. We're making it with the chicken. So I have 4 pieces of chicken. I have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, onions, small potato, and for the spices we have paprika, coriander powder, turmeric, and salt, and pepper. And then for the cauliflower, some people they just cook it in the water first and then make it in the um, eggs and flour and then fry it. But I'm just gonna just fry them like that, no eggs, no flour. And you don't need to put them in the water, just fry them like that. So we're gonna just start with a 4 tablespoons of oil, not olive oil, just canola oil or vegetable oil, small onions, and then big tablespoon of tomato paste. Now we added the chicken. If you want to make it with lamb or beef, you can do so. It will be the same process. Now we're just gonna add the seasoning. That's the paprika, so it's not spicy, it's just sweet paprika, salt, that's coriander powder, and we're gonna put some turmeric. Everything around maybe teaspoon, each one is teaspoon. This is serving for 4 people. So if you wanted to make more, you can add more. So just gonna mix it like that. Just gonna add the water. The water, try not to put too much because it's chicken, so the chicken cooks too fast, cooks faster than the lamb or the beef. So you just cover it a little bit, cover the chicken a little bit with the water, and let it simmer. Make sure the chicken's gonna cook, and then we're gonna go to the next step is fry the cauliflower. See, that's what I was saying in the beginning. Some people they just put it in a boiling water, let it cook maybe around maybe 10 minutes, drain it, and then they dip it in egg, like 2 eggs or something. They mix it together, and then they put it in the flour and then fry it. I feel like that's too much flour and too much eggs. So this is like a little better, and it comes out to taste the same. So you're just gonna fry them like that. Make sure you cut them small pieces, not a big piece like a chunk. Just small so they can like. Now I added the potato. You didn't see that, but I did put the potato to cook, and I let it simmer until the potato cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the cauliflower, the one we fried them, mix them all together, and let it simmer for another maybe 10 minutes or so, until you see the sauce get thicker, and it's like the oil start coming up, and then everything is cooked, the chicken, the potato, everything is cooked, and you're gonna add the a pepper. So I added that pepper. You see how the sauce is all absorbed and it looks more thicker, and everything is done, everything is cooked. So this is it. I have a video showing that I have a bread that I made at home. You can eat it with that, and I will put all the ingredient in the description box. And I hope you like this recipe and enjoy, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.